Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will be presenting our BIO320 video presentation on Penicillium digitatum.
Okay, so for the introduction of Penicillium digitatum, what is Penicillium digitatum? Penicillium digitatum is one of the kingdom of fungus that can be classified into a division of Ascomycota. This fungus inhabit the soil in region that produce citrus. Penicillium digitatum play a causal role in post-harvest degradation in fruit and responsible for the widespread of post-harvest illness in citrus known as a green rot or green mold. Also, it has a very confined host range as it does not infect other fresh fruit or vegetable crop under a normal condition.
Now we will move to the taxonomic description. The kingdom is the fungi. The division is Ascomycota. It is a class of Eurothiomycetes. Order is Eurotiles. Family is Trichocomachia. And genus is Penicillium. The species is P. digitatum and the binomial name is Penicillium digitatum. So, what is the habitat of Penicillium digitatum? It is found in the chilly, wet settings all around the world. It thrives on decaying organic items like fruits, vegetables, and vegetation. Old bread, decaying apples and pears, and rotting plant bulbs are all ideal environments for diverse Penicillium species, which often appear as blue or green zygotes. It has also been observed growing on indoor construction materials such as ceiling tiles and wood surface.
Next, I will talk about the mode of nutrition of Penicillium digitatum. Penicillium digitatum is commonly known as a saprophytic organism, which indicates that it obtains food and nutrition through ingesting other organic matter, mostly dead organic matter. They will release a specific enzyme to break down the metamolecules before ingesting all the nutrients like proteins and carbohydrates from the host. This will cause the fruit tissues to decay and hence make the food gone bad.
Next, the general characteristics of Penicillium digitatum is that Penicillium digitatum is recognized as a plant-specific pathogen which specifically grows on citrus fruits. They usually develop in humid and warm surroundings where the fungus growing will be more rapid. Penicillium digitatum also possesses the color green and will form in a colony with the presence of conidia at the tip of conidiophores, which is the crucial part in fungus spreading. As for their morphology, Penicillium digitatum normally present in a colony and are recognized by their greenish color, which helps in indicating their age. There is the structure of filaments branch from the fungus, which is known as hyphae. They have the features of septae, which helps in dividing them into few separate individual cells. Penicillium digitatum is also very small, which is around 2 to 4 micrometers. It has a long and erected structure which form from the mycelium known as conidiophores, which carry the asexual spores called conidia. They are long and are known to be unbranched. They have the structure of conidia, which is the reproductive system in helping to spread the fungus. It is situated on the tips of conidiophores with the structures of oval shape and have smooth walls. They are also known to be unicellular and are green in color. Penicillium digitatum also possesses few unique characteristics. Firstly, it is a citrus fruit pathogen, which means it is a specific fungus which grows and infects citrus fruits like oranges, which cause the fruits to be decaying. Secondly, rapid spore. They will form a high number of conidia on the host and quickly spread it all over if they are under the favorable conditions. And lastly, they will produce a really bad smell. The decaying fruits will produce a really musty and disgusting smell which assists in identifying the fungus presence among the fruits.
Next, we move to the life cycle of Penicillium digitatum. Penicillium digitatum only possesses for the asexual reproduction. It will start via the production of conidia or spore, and then during the vegetative reproduction, when the hyphae split into a short fragment, and each fragment develop into a whole mycelium by repeatedly dividing to produce new mycelium. Then the sporulation will take place by the formation of asexual spore, which conidia that produce from a long, deep, and unique septate hyphae called the conidia pore. The conidia can germinate and grow into the hyphae, which can then grow and branch out into mycelium. And the last one, as the conidia reach a suitable condition by absorbing the moisture and swelling, the germination will take place with the elongation of the germ tube that divide by septa to form a branch vegetative mycelium.
Lastly, I will talk about the importance of Penicillium digitatum to the ecosystem and economy. So we move on to the ecosystem first, where these fungi act as decomposers and recycle nutrients. Penicillium digitatum contributes to the process of decomposition by secreting enzymes that are capable of breaking complex organic molecules into simpler ones for releasing energy. They use only a tiny amount of this for their own use. Next, Penicillium digitatum also recycles important nutrients into the environment by breaking down organic compounds. These nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, and others become accessible for absorption by plants and other living things, contributing to the nutrient cycle within the ecosystem. In the economic sector, Penicillium digitatum is also beneficial, such as in those that have been used as biocontrol agents and for research. As a biocontrol agent, Penicillium digitatum has been used to protect fruits and vegetables against other post-harvest diseases, providing a more friendly and organic approach to the traditional chemical-based treatments. Penicillium digitatum also plays an important role in scientific research, such as the development of antifungal agents and the reaction against these pathogens. For instance, scientists have found a specific way by using pomegranate oils to reduce the effects of Penicillium digitatum on the citrus fruits.
To sum up everything from this study, we can say that Penicillium digitatum is a prevalent mold that causes a significant post-harvest deterioration in citrus fruits like oranges and lemons. Hence, the properties of Penicillium digitatum that make it a big concern for the citrus sector, like the life cycle, morphology, characteristics, and its importance on the ecology and economy had been explained. Thus, it is clear that Penicillium digitatum poses a significant danger to the citrus sector and that appropriate management measurements are required to preserve the quality and the safety of citrus products. So, in order to minimize the economic losses and maintain food safety, the continued research and development of the novel techniques and strategies for controlling this mold is required.